staying back and watching me shine, and I didn't know if you knew. So I'm taking this chance to say that I had the best day with you today.
Let's match us lang. So today's vlog is having fun in Lapu-Lapu City. As you can see, I'm in a room and with the Bluetooth. Nag-ano kami, hanghang kami beside sa Shell. Nakita niyo. Doon ang Shell. So, shadow hindi niyo makita. Wait. Kasi ano, sorry guys. Kasi shadow hindi niyo makita.
Nobody knows. There's pretty girls on every corner. They're watching as he's walking.
Guys, nakuha ko ng camera. Sorry kasi ano, inibot ko na ang window. So, nakita niyo na labas ako ng window namin. Ito. Shadow yung maingay guys. Kasi, dito ako beside sa Shell. Kasi ano, hello! Janan! Ano kaya? So, dito ako umupo lang kasi init guys. Sorry.